Whatever may be the argument, the fact of the matter is that future wars will be won by nations with most effective drones. Swarm drones, autonomous targeting drones, remotely piloted vehicles, and underwater submersible drones. These are the new faces of this disruptive technology. In the region of Middle East to Indo-Pacific, US, Israel, Iran, India, and China are major powers developing these drones. And amongst these, India is emerging as a major drone power. What makes India take a major lead are its projects to do with unmanned capabilities with strategic bearings. Autonomous Flying Wing Technology Demonstrator and indigenous high-speed flying wing unmanned aerial vehicle has been tested from Aeronautical Test Range Chitrakuda in Karnataka. This technology demonstrator has been developed for India's secretive stealth combat drone called the Ghatak. The Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is on track to conduct flight testing of a Loyal Wingman program by 2024. The project is known as Combat Air Teaming System or CATS Warrior, which began in 2018 and was unveiled at Aero India show in 2021. The CATS Warriors will include a manned fighter aircraft that will serve as a systems mothership. There will be swarm of UAVs and UCAVs that will be controlled by the mothership. The CATS Warrior will be one of the UCAVs or Loyal Wingman of this whole system.
That means the mother ship can stay airborne with man on board, and the wingmans, the Loyal Wingmans that is this called, the wingmans can penetrate into the enemy area and create havoc and come back.
India has launched an extra large unmanned underwater vehicle known as XLUUV project. The Indian Navy is interested in procuring up to 12 XLUUVs. The prototype is expected to be ready by 2025. This vehicle is likely to have a payload capacity of 10 tons and is to be armed with two 533 mm torpedo tubes along with the mine laying capability. This unmanned submarine could have a maximum speed of 8 knots and cruise speed of 4 knots. It is expected to have an endurance of 45 days using either LiPo or Li-ion batteries or a fuel cell based on air-independent propulsion system as the power source. Indian Army has received the first batch of suicide drones called Nagastra-1, which can strike enemy training camps and launch pads in border areas with precision and save soldiers' lives. Nagastra-1 is a type of loitering munition where the aerial weapon is designed with an inbuilt warhead designed to loiter around an area until a target is located and then it crashes into it with high explosive. These indigenously developed drones offer more selective targeting as the attack can be changed mid-flight or even aborted. In a kamikaze mode, the drone can neutralize any threat with GPS-enabled precision strike with an accuracy of 2 meters. Weighing around 9 kgs, the fixed-wing electric unmanned aerial vehicle has an endurance of 30 minutes, a man-in-loop range of 15 kilometers, and an autonomous mode range of 30 kilometers. It can apparently carry a 1 kg warhead up to a range of 15 kilometers, and an upgraded version can carry 2.2 kgs of warhead up to a distance of 30 kilometers. In case a target is not detected or if the mission is aborted, suicide drone can be called back and make a soft landing with a parachute recovery mechanism and can be reused multiple times. Another fascinating story in the domain of drones and robotics is that of replacement of the sturdy, sure-footed mules of the Indian Army. These mules have been transporting crucial loads to forward border posts through treacherous routes under extreme weather and terrain conditions for over a century. But now, with the advent of technology, they are slowly but steadily marching into history. The Army is progressively inducting logistic drones, robotic mules, all-terrain vehicles, and rough terrain vehicles in conjunction with improvement in border infrastructure and better last mile connectivity to replace the existing animal transport fleet.
Nowadays, these logistic drones with a high payload capacity and capability is going to be a tremendous game changer. You know, we don't have to depend on the mules and the other logistics that goes with maintaining mules. We are all aware, after all, it's an animal and it has its limitation. And basically, their safekeeping, their logistics, their food, and their survivability in an adverse weather situation. Whereas these robotic mules, they do not suffer those kind of, limitations.
Emerging and disruptive technologies are fast changing the world around us. In the battle space, the weapons are getting smaller and smaller with longer ranges, having great precision with deadly destructive impact. Network centricity, AI-enabled decision-making, and remote control are the new tools of future warfare.